Here are 5 things you need to know about an air fryer before you buy one. They're the fashion piece on your kitchen bench that act as a compact oven. They disperse heat to cook your food nice and crispy without being immersed in oil. These smaller ones are perfect for those snack-loving kids. But if it's a family feast you want to create, we recommend these 6 to 8 litre ones. Absolutely perfect. And if you're a little forgetful like me, these smart sensing technology ones are just as great. They adjust the time and temperature of your food as it's cooking, and basically you can set and forget. And I bet you're wondering how hard it is to use an air fryer. And that's the greatest thing about the air fryer. It's so easy to use. Simply pull out the drawer, drop the food into the basket, hit a button with the required time, and walk away. When the alarm sounds, the food is ready. You can bake a cake, roast some veggies, grill some meat, and of course, you can get those delicious crispy chips. And we can't forget to mention that it reduces the oil used while cooking by 70 to 80%, which makes it healthier.